We will now install a baggage storage system, more precisely a baggage rack. To do this, we select the baggage rack from the item list and insert it into the workspace. In the first step, we define the dimensions of the baggage rack in the floor plan. These are the external dimensions that the baggage rack will take up. The luggage rack can be snapped directly to the seat and the wall, or alternatively define distances using margins. The exact settings of the baggage rack in the advanced properties are crucial. Here you have the option of defining the total height of the baggage rack. Here we have the option to define when the luggage rack does not start at floor level because it is on a pedestal, for example. In this specific case, the luggage rack would only start at 10 centimeters from the floor. In most cases, however, the lowest shelf is level with the floor. We can define the thickness of the side walls that the baggage rack takes up on the left and right here, and a thickness of the respective shelf supports. Now we insert the first baggage compartment. Here we define the actual available widths, heights, and depths of the luggage compartment. Our baggage rack has a width of 1,600 mm and a wall of 10 mm on the left and right. Therefore, the inside width can be 1,580 mm. We can still define the depth, and we defined the baggage rack as having a depth of 750 mm in the plan. But it may be that the lowest compartment is less deep because there is a ventilation system behind it. We only have 550 mm available here, for example. Then define a height for the shelf. A good height is 85 centimeters, for example. But you also have the option of defining a larger width. This makes sense if, for example, the bottom shelf is designed in such a way that the side walls do not go through, or the side walls are bent and follow the curvature of the seat. That is, if there is a greater width for the luggage in the lowest compartment than the outer dimensions of the side walls would allow. In this case, it is advisable to take the measurement available at about 40 centimeters at mid-height. Now we can define the other luggage compartments. We define, for example, a middle compartment of a baggage rack with a total of 3 compartments. For the middle compartment, enter the dimension previously defined in the floor plan, minus the side walls. However, it may also be that there is less space available due to some fixtures. Then you have the option of entering a smaller dimension. In our example, the full depth is available. The middle compartment will only have a smaller height to be efficient. Now we can define another compartment. You can apply the settings or change the settings. If, for example, the sum of inner heights is greater than the total height, then you cannot save the baggage rack, because an error has occurred here, which leads to errors in the calculation. This means that you need to correct this information accordingly. Then you have the option of saving the object. Now we have a ready defined baggage rack. We press Ctrl+C again in the selected state. The new baggage rack has also already adopted the settings. If you position a baggage rack with different dimensions in a different place, it is important to adjust the advanced properties. As you can see, the fact that it is not possible to save here means that the internal dimensions are incorrect. This means that the interior of the rack is wider than it should be. For this purpose, you must correct these dimensions. Then you have the possibility to save again.